Vasco people.
People will stand over here.
It's been a very warm, in fact, a very hot day today. And for the king, it must be even hotter there. Yeah, because Andhra is there. Okay, even I think you need to make and maybe come down to earth. No, brother? Yeah, come down to Vasco, sir. Okay, our Vasco king, Kenivia, will lead the king down onto this very special stage where a galaxy of stars of Vasco and the Moria constituents, he said, Amda Asar, and the Moria Asar, that was in the chief officer, municipal engineer, chief officer, and of course the MNC chairperson is here. बच्चे से पीछे है, ध्यान दे, हटो, जरा पीछे हटो, पीछे, 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 सब लोग पीछे, लोग बैठे हैं दूसरों को देख लेते, उसका अंदर तो सैकड़ों के मार्च से फाटे लाते हैं, छोटे छूट गए नहीं मार्च से। All right, come. So, okay, can you hear this side? And you have a bit of clapping for them, please. Come on, Kaya, please. King Ho. Here in Matthew Fernandez is the king. This is his third city visit after Belgium and Margot. He is being led by our very own king, Kenivia Secretary. Kenivia, the queen, is leading the king onto the stage. The Vasco queen, Kenivia. Kenivia Secretary, the daughter of Annie and Kennedy Secretary from Mangor. And the king, King Bo. Here Matthew Fernandez from Denali. He belongs to a family, as they say, of kings. His uncles and his dad have been the king for many, many years now. King Bo there. I request Mr. Rao to hand over the mic to the king, who will now declare his decree for the city of Vasco for today. Goan Carnival? Okay, now I'm going to read my decree. A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Goa, a land of fun and peace-loving people. I, Cleveland Fernandez, the King Momo of Carnival 2025, the ruler of harmony and celebration, hereby declare my decree. In my kingdom, I declare fun. I invite each one of you to enjoy music, food, and drinks with a zeal and frolic and fun. To enjoy this kingdom, you have to forget all of your troubles and sorrows. I want each and everyone to be happy in Goa. This is your time to be free and celebrate life. Feel the rhythm and energy in every corner of Goa. Clothes, music, and dances will fill the street. Carnival is a time to come together, no matter who you are. As your king, I declare this day to be filled with endless fun and unforgettable moments. I wish each one of you good health, wealth, and happiness, and all the best for the carnival. Ladies and gentlemen, now I declare the carnival open. Long live carnival, long live Goa. Viva Carnival, viva Goa! Viva Vasco! And of course, our queen will have a small speech here. Our queen will give us a speech.
Good evening, Vasco. I, the Queen Momo Vasco, welcome each and every one of you for this Carnival Flows of 2025. This is the Jubilee year. Hope so you have a good time and enjoy the evening. Viva Carnival, Viva Vasco.
Viva Vasco! Thank you. That was the queen. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Maybe we will just sit and we will just enjoy the floats. But before that, we have to honor some of the guests here. Please sit, and we would like to acknowledge Okay, before we start the floats, I request a floral welcome to our guests. In fact, I would request Nia de Souza to please hand over a bouquet to the king. Nia, the bouquet to our king. We are welcoming the king. And our chairman, Francis de Souza, will hand over the bouquet to our queen. Queen de Souza will hand over a bouquet, a floral welcome to our Honorable Minister of Panchayat, Industries and Transport, our MLA of Gavelin, Mr. Mohan Virino. Keegan. And then Lilies will hand over a bouquet to the Honorable MLA of Vasco, Taji Salka. I request late to hand over a bouquet to the Chief Officer MMC, Siddhi Vinayak Naik, Sarak ek bouquet diyuchi and yoka ziriyucho. Parents is parents day. Parents, a bouquet, a welcome to our chairperson, Girish Bhota. Our General Secretary will be handing over a bouquet to the Deputy Sarpanch of Shitale Panchayat, Aishwarya. Peter, please. And Nigel, can I request you to please come up here, please? Nigel. Nigel will hand over a bouquet to one of the judges, of course, the three who are doing a very tough job here. Rajesh Gaide. Sir, please accept this bouquet of love from the Vasco Carnival Committee. Sylvester will hand over the bouquet to Morris Pereira will hand over to Mr. Sylvester Estivero. Morris, please come. And dressed for the occasion is Sylvester there. Such a nice brigade you have there, sir. Very fitting, very colorful. And last but not least, Andrew will hand over the bouquet to charming Maria Suzette Martins, one of the three judges here. Andrew is here, ma'am, he's come across to you. The best flowers kept for the best lady here. Thank you, Andrew. Thank you, ma'am. I know there is a bit of a delay, but then we just want to complete the formality here, and it is time. Once the float starts, it does not become nice to stop it. So that we will now request our. Okay, I request our MLA, our loved MLA, दाजी कृष्णा दाजी साल्टर एक दोन उतर उलयपाक सर टू यू.
ह्या कार्नावाल परेडीक माचेर आशिल्ले आमचे पंचायत मिनिस्टर इंडस्ट्रीज मिनिस्टर मोविन गुडिनो सर तशेंच आमचे सगळ्यांचे मोगाचे म्हणटा तशे किंग मोमो तशीच क्वीन तशेंच हांगा बशिल्ले मुरमुगांव म्युनिसिपल कावन्सिलाचे चेअरपर्सन गिरीश बोरकर ऐश्वर्या पंच क्रितेश गांवकर KTCL वायस चेअरमॅन तशेंच बाकीचे ह्या कार्नावाल कमिटीचे अध्यक्ष फ्रांसीस पिंटो मेनन सर तशेंच अमेय सिद्धिविनायक नायक CEO आनी आमचो ME मनोज आडसेकर. आज खूब बरें दिसता की ट्रेडिशनली आवर कार्निवल इज वीच वॉज बींग सेलिब्रेटेड फ्रॉम एजीस म्हणजे केन्नासून वेन आय भुरगेपणानसून आमी ही परेड पळयत आयिल्ली आसा एंड दॅट इज स्टील कंटिन्युईंग. इट इज गोईंग ऑन इनक्रीजिंग आज वाडत आसा. Carnival today has become an international feature. Even Goa's tourism is known by festivals like Carnival or Shigmo, and that is why we in Goa we enjoy all these festivals and we enjoy each and every bit which is happening here. I congratulate Francis Pinto and his whole team. Last many years he's being the president, and we see a lot of changes in the Carnival organizing. This thing also, a new atmosphere, a new उमेद म्हणटा तशी आज वास्को भितर तांचे आनी तांचे कमिटीन हाडल्या. आय कॉंग्रेच्युलेट हिम ऑन ऑल दीस थिंग्स आनी खूब बरें दिसता. आवर गव्हर्मेंट लेड बाय आवर ऑनरेबल CM प्रमोद सावंत सर, he is doing every bit to promote each and every festival and like this carnival also. In fact, जे केल theatre which has got a history of 125 years which was recently thoda time stop ashille, that has also been revived with the help of Konkani Academy. आणि केल तियात्राज आमच्या गांवांनी आमच्या वाड्यांनी आमच्या तिट्यार आमच्या क्रॉसार सगळे कडेन केल तियात्र जाता ते दिसता. आणि आमची गोंयची संस्कृताय आमचे दायज आमी राखता आसतना आमचे तरणाटे सगळे फुडें सरतात ते आनी बरें दिसता. हांव चड उलयना, बट जशें किंगान डिग्री दिल्या 4 days we all have to enjoy. We are all living in a very stressful life, and like he has rightly said, these 4 days we have to forget everything. We have to forget all our worries. Everybody is having stress, so these 4 days let us enjoy, let us make merry, let us love everybody, let us care for everybody and make this carnival a very happy carnival. Thank you very much.
Thank you. उपकारनाता आमचे गावली कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनचे आमदार आणि आमचे पंचायत ट्रान्सपोर्ट अँड इंडस्ट्रीज मिनिस्टर मोविन गुडिनो सर.
माय कलीग एंड गुड फ्रेंड, माझे मित्र वास्कोचे आमदार तसेच SPDA चेअरमॅन बाब दाजी सालकर, फर्स्ट सिटीजन ऑफ वास्को MMCचे चेअरपर्सन बाब गिरीश बोरकर, आणि पहिले सुवातेर किंग मोमो 2025 क्लेवन फर्नांडिस, whom we warmly welcome to our city girl and the queen, I should say, of 2025, Kenivia, we welcome you. It's happy to have you as the queen. The chairman of this carnival committee, Francisco D'Souza, everybody knows as Pinto, आमचो बाब पिंटो. तसेच आमचे कमांडर मेनन, आमचे सिद्धिविनायक चीफ ऑफिसर बाब मनोज, तसेच बाब अमय. हांगा तिनूय जजीस आज म्हाका दिसता तेंचे काम खूबच कठीण आसा आज. तसेच वायस चेअरपर्सन KTC बाब क्रितेश गांवकर, हांगा सगळे कमिटीचे मेंबर, खास करून सगळे पीटर आणि बाकीचे तेजे सगळे वांगडी आणि मेंबर्स ऑफ द प्रेस. आमी गोंयान पळयला, शिगमो आसूं दी, कार्निवल आसूं दी, कितले व्हडले दबाज्यान आमी सगळे भाग घेता आणि उमेदीन पार्टिसिपेट जाता. हे कितें दाखयता की पयली आमची संस्कृती म्हणजे फ्रेंडशीप इश्टागोट गोशी घडून हाडपाची. सगळी फेस्तां आमी सेलिब्रेट करता, सगळे एकामेकाचे फेस्तां आमी वयता. ही फ्रेंडशीप लोकां मदें कशी टिकून दवरची. कांय दीस पयलीं हे दिसांनी आमी तियात्र म्हूण केले आनी जमणी वयले तियात्र म्हूण. पयले खेळ तियात्र कशे सुरवातेसून स्टार्ट केल्ले ते दाखयले. हे सरकारान प्रत्येक कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी वचोन हे जमणी वयले तियात्र दाखयले. कित्याक आमची संस्कृती, आमचे जो कला आसा, आमचे ल्हान ल्हान आर्टिस्ट आहा तांकां संदी मेळची आनी लोकांक कळचें आमचें गोंय कशें हे सगळें स्थापन जालें, मुडावीक कशें वयर सरलें. थोड्या दिसांनी हांगा शिगमोय जातलो. हे कितें दाखयता गोंयकार लास्टा आमी सगळे एक. आमची संस्कृतीची ओळख आमकां आसा आनी संस्कृतीची ओळख आसतना आमी कशे एकमतान रावता आख्खे देशा हें उदाहरण जावन आसा. तरी आसतना सगळ्यांक खबर आसा थोडे लोक हे बिगडपाची खूब खूब प्रयत्न करता. कित्याक हो सरकार डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत सरकार खूब बरें काम करता. आज जो बदल गोंयान येयला सगळ्यांक दिसता. देशान जो बदल येयला जे बाब नरेंद्र मोदीन हाडला सगळ्यांक दिसता. म्हणून थोड्यांच्या पोटान दुखता आनी मागीर नेगेटिविटी पसरता. आज आमकां कळपा जाय आमची संस्कृती आसूं दी. कार्निवल म्हणल्यार सगळ्यांनी खुशाल बरे जियेवपा जाय. फन एंड फ्रॉलिक, फॉरगेट ऑल द वरीज एंड कट आउट नेगेटिविटी. हे नेगेटिविटी म्हणल्यार तरी आमी काडले. जे वायट चिंतना आमच्या मनान तरी आमी हाडना. आमचे जिवितूच बरें जातलें. हर एक बरो कार्निवल जे प्रत्येक जाणान हे संवसारान जियेवपा जाय. सगळे बरें जातलें. हांव परत एकदां सगळे जे कमिटी मेंबर आसा, बाब फ्रांसिस्को डिसुजा जे पिंटोन बराबर सगळ्या सांगाता घेवन वास्कोन एक युनिटी दवरला, हेच भाशेन सदांच दवरची. विशिंग यू ऑल द बेस्ट एंड ऑल द बेस्ट टू ऑल यू पीपल. विदाउट टेकिंग मोर टाइम, एन्जॉय द कार्निवल. विवा कार्निवल.
उपकार मागता आमच्या कमिटीचे चेअरपर्सनाक 2 उतरां सर. Our float, yes.
आमचो आयच्या मानाधीक सोयरो आमचो चीफ गेस्ट बाब मॉविन गुदिनो, मिनिस्टर फॉर ट्रान्सपोर्ट, पंचायत, इंडस्ट्रीज. तसोच आमचो वास्कोचो चड मोगाचो आमदार बाब दाजी साळकार, आमचो चेअरपर्सन वास्को म्युनिसिपालिटीचो गिरीश बोरकर, आनी आमचो किंग मोमो क्लेविन फेर्नांडीस आनी क्वीन केनिविया. तसोच आमचो मेनन सर, चीफ ऑफिसर. तसोच आमचो KTCचो वायस चेअरमॅन किर्तेश गांवकर आनी म्हाज्या मोगाच्या वास्कोच्या भाव भयणांनो. At the outset, I like to thank the Almighty God for these 4 beautiful days of Carnival. उसक्या मेगडे कांय टेन्शन नासतना, कांय कोणा झगडी नासतना, I like all of you to enjoy these 4 days of Carnival. On behalf of my Carnival committee, I like to thank each and every member of my committee for helping me for these last 3-4 days, working so hard, tirelessly to make this Vasco Carnival a great success. And amka, we have Mavin Gudino as a minister and amcho Daji Salkar. Both of them are very progressive. हे दाबोली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आनी वास्कोचे कितें बरें बरी स्वप्नां बरें बरें कितें करूंक सोदता. सो हांव मागतां देवान तिंकां सगल्यांक बरी सावथ दिवची. तशें म्हाजी 2 उतरां काबार करता आनी सगल्या वास्कोकारांक विवा कार्निवाल म्हणटा.
Thank you. And I know we have waited very patiently. And all right, sit back and enjoy. The float parade will now proceed. Remember, there are different categories and उपकार मागता each participant तुमचो जो number असा तो स्टेजी वाटेन दाखोवचो कित्याक there are judges who will not find it easy if you don't show them the number. Okay, very good. And please, if you all appreciate, it will be very nice. तुम्ही तो ताळयो वाजोवन सगळ्यांक तुमचो मोग दाखोवचो आणि जे कोण आमचे कला दाखयतात, जे कोण ह्या पार्टिसिपेट करतात तांकां तुम्ही तुमचो सहकार दिवचो. The clown joker category we have the dangar asa, then we have a fisherman, we have the Arab come, oh my God, all the way. I don't know which part of the Middle East he has come from. I think at the end of the float you can meet him after the fish market and नुस्तें कातरून दितलो तो बरो विसवण व्हडलो हा. multilateral exercises with international navies. If you look closely, the carriers have scaled down models of aircraft on deck, displaying the takeoff and launch of MiG-29 fighters and helicopters. This majestic tableau has been prepared by the Naval Aircraft Yard Goa under the aegis of the Goa Naval Area. The tableau is a majestic blend of the technical prowess and might of the Indian Navy. A big round of applause for the Indian Navy. This is the family category of float, Goan Zotkar. Goinche Zotkar Maria. That is in the ground category. Wow, the Ghost Rider. Whoa. Anderson Dinesh says the Ghost Rider. Konkani.